Hello friends, let's see that how can we create this model. And in this model we have created boss extrude and also use cut and plane here. So let's see how can we create this model. Let's select a plane, that is top plane. Click on top plane and click on the sketch. After clicking on sketch, we have to create a sketch here. So first we create a circle. Click on the circle tool. Okay. Then after select line tool, drag with control. So our sketch is created here. Now we will trim extra portion. Click on the trim entity tool and trim this and this portion also. Click on the smart dimension tool. Here we will give radius, that is 25. This point with this point distance will be here 7. Click on this line and origin, and this distance we will enter 120. Center to center distance will be 40. And this will be 12.5 radius. Click on the smart dimension again. This distance will be 40. And this line to this origin, this distance will be here 60. This and this with the relation equal. Click on this trim. Click on the line tool again, like that. Here we will give the angle. Click on the smart dimension again, and this angle will be 112. And this will be 60. And this arc and this line will be tangent here. Okay. So simply after create this sketch, we will extrude it. So click on the features tab and extrude this portion. We will extrude it 20. Okay. Again click on the top face of it and then sketch here we will create a circle again, create one more circle. This second circle will be tangent to this arc or circumference. Click on the line tool. We can avoid tangency by clicking inside the circle and create the tapered line. Same as here. This edge will be, we have to use as a convert entity. Now we will trim extra portion also here. Okay. Now select this and this will be parallel. This will be vertical here. With the smart dimension, we will enter 35 diameter. The distance of this both line will be 7. Also this will be 7. Now we will give the angle 170. Okay. Select this and this, give the relation collinear. Okay. Use this and this, do the relation coincident. Now our sketch is fully defined here. We have 35. Click on the features tab, extrude cut. Now cut this to tank depth. Okay. Now we will create again a sketch, the close sketch here. Click on this sketch on top face. Same here, we will create circle. This will be tangent to this edge. And then click on the line tool. Click inside the circle to avoid the tangency. Now we have to create two circles here. Tangent, and this will be also tangent here. Click on the line tool. Now we will trim here extra portion. So Give the dimension here. So this will be here. Yeah. Select this and give the relation, make parallel. Now we'll give the dimension 7. This one also. Click 7. Again here we will come pictures and click on the extrude cut tool. Extrude cut will be here, 10 depth. Okay. Now we will click on this face. Again, click on the circle tool. Click on this circle and this circle. Do the relation equal smart dimension. Click on the features and extrude cut to next or through all. So select the through all option here. Okay. Now we'll create a plane here, which means we have to create in the center of this feature. So to create a center of this feature plane, we have to click on the reference geometry, click on the plane tool, and then after we have to click on this top face and this bottom face. So after clicking on both these points faces, by default a plane is created here, which will be created in the same distance from top to bottom in the mid plane. So our plane is created. Now we will click on this plane, create circle. The diameter of the circle will be 70. Click on the features and extrude. Reverse. Enter 40 and click OK. Now click on this bottom face, click on the sketch. And then create click on this line, make horizontal, click on this circumference, convert entity, trim this portion, this also. Here we will create a center line from this origin to vertical upward, and then after select this line, this line, and the symmetric option will be activated here. You can see in the left. Okay, click on the smart dimension, click on this origin, 29 here. So now we will the depth width, sorry, this will be 6. Click on the features and select the extrude cut tool. Here we have to select blind option. 30, enter. Okay, then after we have to hide this and have to revolve it. Click on the extrude cut, click on the features linear pattern drop down, click on the circular pattern tool. Now we have to select a direction which will be circular. So click on this edge, circular direction like that will be created, and the preview showing in the yellow color here. Enter 18, so that's 16. Okay, Control 7 for the isometric view, and you can give any texture to it. This, click on this and shift press and click on the last, and then click on the appearances circular pattern. Last one feature will be in the left, also right. You can see here colors. Okay, so now you can see our model is created here. So if you like this video, subscribe our channel. Thanks.